Most people still think you need to show your face before you make money here on YouTube. That's a lie. A lot of persons are making she's lots of money by just creating faceless channel, faceless content here on YouTube. Look at all this faceless channel. Look at the amount of views they've already packed. Look at the amount of money they are currently making just by creating faceless YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a YouTube automation channel, even as a beginner, complete beginner, even if you've never done it before using just your smartphone. In this video, I'll be showing you how to pick a niche. Picking a niche is one of the most important steps to take while creating a YouTube automation channel. And the second thing is, I'll be showing you how to create your first video and things you have to put in place to prevent your channel from getting demonetized. Look at this channel, it has only posted 11 videos so far and I've already gotten 300,000 plus subscribers and has put lot and lot of views. And do you know what that means? Having millions and millions of views. Do you know what that means? These beginners quit YouTube because they think they need expensive equipment to start. But you do not need that. You do not need expensive equipment to start. If you just have a smartphone, some people think you still need to show your face before you make money on YouTube. Do not miss any step in this video because each step is very important in your YouTube automation journey. So endeavor to watch this particular video to the very end so that you will get what you really want to get from it. Honest truth is, you do not need to show your face before you start making money here on YouTube, because some of the fastest growing channels right now do not even show their faces at all. They do not show their faces. Before you create that YouTube automation channel, these are some of the things you need to consider. Number one, picking a niche. Picking a niche. Picking a niche is one of the very, very most important steps to take while creating your YouTube automation channel. Some of the businesses for beginners are: we have the movie recap, we have storytelling, we have human anatomy, we have personal finance, we have motivation niche. There are lots and lots of niches you can do in 2026. You can do celebrity stories. There are lots of niches to pick from. Pick something that people can watch and watch for a very long period of time. Because for you to grow on YouTube, it's not about you, it's about your audience, it's about those that you are making that particular videos for. It's people you're making your videos for. Are they going to be interested in what you're posting? You need to choose a niche that people are really interested in. The second thing you need is you need video ideas. You go on YouTube and search your niche. Look at what people are already watching in your niche. Look at the way people in your niche are making their videos. Look at the way they are editing their videos. And pick one or two ideas from there. Doing this helps you create better videos that people really want. To create the Google account, yes, go to your browser and type youtube.com. After that, you click on the profile there. Yes, then you click on add Chrome profile. Add Chrome profile. Yes, so to ask you to either sign in or you create a new one. Yes, so now you click on create account. Create account. So you can either create account for personal use, for a child, or for work and business. So you just select for work and business. Yes. After that, you click next. You click next. Here you will be required to create a Gmail. Yes, you're required to create a Gmail. Now you have to input your first name. Yes, enter your first name. Then you also input your last name. Yes, your last name. After inputting your last name, you click on next. So it brings you to this particular interface where you have to input your basic information. You start with your date of birth, your month, the day, and the year. So just select them accordingly. Yes, the month, the day, and the year. Then you select your gender, either male or female. Then you click on next. Then you'll be required to create a username, something unique to you. Then you click on next. It will bring you to the particular interface where you input your password. Yes, then you confirm. You create something unique, something you can easily remember. Then you confirm your password and you click on next. This is where your account will be verified. You have to input your phone number for verification. Yes, you input your phone number. So after inputting your phone number, a confirmation code will be sent to your phone, which you'll be required to input in the next stage. Yes, so the next stage you have to input the confirmation code sent to you. After confirming the code, you'll be required to add a recovery email. If you have, you can add. If you don't, just keep. Yes, after adding that, you also required to add an additional phone number. If you had that as well, you can input. If you don't, just keep. Then it will bring to this place where you review your account information, then you click on next. Then also privacy and terms, you go through everything, the rules and all that, then you click on next. You can see now your account is ready. It's a YouTube channel. The next thing for you to do is click on your profile on YouTube. Then scroll down, then click on create channel. Yeah, click on it. Once you're done, you've created your account. As simple as that. So it's now time for you to set up your channel properly. The first thing you need to do is to give it a channel name. Yeah, to give it a channel name. So you click on your profile, you click on it, you will see a spot that says profile name. Yeah, this is say profile name. This is profile name. Yeah, under name, you input your name. And since it's a faceless channel, you need something, a name that is very, very catchy. Yeah, for this particular page, for this particular channel, I want I want a channel name that is attractive. Yes, so all I have to do is I'll head over to ChatGPT to give me name idea. Yes, just because you want a name that correlates with the content of your channel. So now it has generated 10 very catchy name idea. So just pick one of the names, copy the name, and go back to your YouTube channel and paste that name, then save. Once you are done, you click on Andrew as well. You click on that Andrew to generate a name as well, then you save it. Once you are done with both names, it's now time for you to create your banner and your logo. So you are doing that using Canva. You head over to your Canva. If you've not signed up, you sign up. But if you have signed up, all you have to do is go on the search bar and search for YouTube banner. Then it will bring out a lot and lot of templates you can use. All you have to do is just edit them to your satisfaction. You can change the text, you can change the color, you can change anything. Yeah, just edit it to what suits you. Delete what you need to delete, and add anything you need to add. Like that picture now, you have to replace the picture. Just click on it, then click on replace. Then it will replace. It will take you to your gallery where you will select the picture you want to replace it with. Once you're done with all of that, just download it. Yeah, just download it. Once you're done downloading the banner, the next thing for you to do is to create a YouTube logo. You create a YouTube logo using Canva as well. Head back over to Canva. Head back over to Canva and search for YouTube logo. It will bring several templates, several logo templates you can make use of. Just click on one. Once you've gotten the one you want, just click on it and edit it to your satisfaction. Change the color, the name, and all of that. Just change it to your satisfaction. Reduce the font, increase the font, edit the picture. Just edit to your satisfaction. Replace the picture and all of that. Just click on the picture to take you into your gallery. Then you select what you want to replace it with, and you are done. So once you're done editing it, you can now you can now save it to your phone. Once you're done saving it on your phone, all you have to do is you head back over to YouTube where you will have to input your logo and your banner. First thing we're imputing is the banner. Click on that particular space, then take it to your gallery where you have to select the banner you just created, then adjust it to fit into the box. Once you're done, this will take you back onto the channel as well. Then you click on that round icon where you input your logo as well. Click on it. Once you click on it, it will take you into your gallery where you select the logo you just created. Yes, once you select the logo you just created, input it there, put it there, and it's saved. So once you're done with all of this, the next thing for you to do is you click on the description. Yeah, you must have a description so that people will know what your channel is all about. So the search engine will know that okay, this is what this particular channel is all about. So to do that, you head over to ChatGPT, tell it to give you a very catchy human anatomy description for your Faceless YouTube channel. So it will generate a well constructed description for you. All you have to do is copy the description and paste it on your channel. Then once you're done with all of that, you're now up. It's now time for you to create your first video. Yes, you head over to ChatGPT. Tell ChatGPT that you just created your first Faceless YouTube channel. That it should give you a script idea on human anatomy. It should generate a script idea for a script for you for human anatomy, and it will generate including the image prompts as well as the voiceovers. Yeah. Once you're done generating all the prompts, now you head over to your video generator, your video generating tool. You can either use Grok or you use Gwen AI. Since Grok is no longer free, we'll be using Gwen AI. So all you have to do is head over to Gwen AI on your browser. So copy the script generated from ChatGPT, then head over to Gwen AI on your browser. Then you give Gwen AI your prompt, and it will generate both the image and the video for you. Yes, both the image and video. Then once you are done, download on your phone. Then it's now time for us to generate our audio scripts, our voiceover. We are doing that using speechmart.com. Just head over to your browser and type speechmart.com. Once you are done, just copy your voiceover script from ChatGPT and head over here and paste it on speechmart.com. Select the
Your
type of
body can
voice you
survive
want,
weeks
if it's
without
a
food,
male voice or a
but only
female
days
voice.
without water. Focus.
So once you are done,
Headaches?
you download the voiceover generated. Yes. So it's now time to generate to edit our videos, and we are doing that using CapCut. So select the videos generated using Gwen. After selecting the video, all you have to do is you head over to your edits and type audio. Then it will take you into type audio and type device. It will take you into your gallery where you will see the voiceover generated
But
on speechmart.com. Just click on that blue arrow and it will
your body can survive
be
weeks
added to
without
your
food,
video,
but
so
only
you
days
can just
without
play
water.
it, do your
Even a
basic
few
edits,
hours without can
do your
start
basic
affecting
edit,
yourself.
and
Weeks
that's
without
all.
food,
Then you
but only
export
days without
it.
water. Even a few hours without it can start affecting your cells.
One thing you should take note of is while creating a AI faceless content is you should input a little human effort into it, because as we all know, YouTube has updated their policy, and if you are just posting AI content directly with little to no human effort, your account might get demonetized. And if you have not been monetized, it might not get monetized. So you should input little maximum human effort in your edits. Do well to click on the subscribe button and subscribe and turn on your notification so whenever I drop updates like this, you'll be the first to be notified. Yeah, I'll see you on my next video.